Hello and welcome to the online viewing for flat 6, 81 Cotton Lane. This is a first floor 2-bedroom apartment with no onward chain. Okay, then into the building and we have a flight of stairs going up to the first floor. Okay, and then we have the first floor landing here, which leads through to the communal hallway. So turning left, and then the flat is just here on the right hand side. Okay, then moving into the apartment, and we have the entrance hall here, and then from the front door we have the first room, which is the second bedroom. Which has a built-in double wardrobe. And then around to the left-hand side, where we have the living room. A really spacious room with windows to the side and rear aspects. We can see the designated parking space at the back of the building. And then we have the kitchen here on the left hand side. Nice modern units. And a breakfast bar area in the corner. We have integrated cooker, microwave, fridge freezer, hob and dishwasher in here as well. And then continuing through around to the left, we have the main bedroom, which has 2 built-in double wardrobes, and again facing towards the rear of the building. And then we also have an ensuite shower room with WC wash basin and good sized shower here. Now back through to the hallway, and we have the main bathroom with toilet, wash basin and bath with a shower attachment above. And then we also have a built-in airing cupboard and a further storage cupboard here as well. And then just to the side of the property we have access to the rear car park. Okay, and then just around to the rear of the building where we have a parking area. And that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing for this property, which has no onward chain, then do give the office a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.